So this is a demo to create a declarative agent on Teams on Copilot. So first go to Copilot on Teams. Then you can go to create an agent. You can describe what kind of agent you want. Here I want travel planning agent. Now you can select the name. You can either select the name, which has been suggested. Here it is Travel Planner Pro, or you can suggest your own name. So here I'm going to name it as Travel Buddy. Okay, so the basic agent has been set up here on the right side. I can click on Configure here on top and configure it further. So the agent name, this is the description. Here are the instructions. You can edit any instruction over here. I'm going to change it from professional and courteous tone to friendly and upbeat tone. You can add a knowledge base of any document or PowerPoint you want, or even a SharePoint site. Here, I'm not going to add anything, but here I'm going to enable web content. This will allow the agent to browse the web and get information. There are additional capabilities which you can enable, like code interpreter or image generator. Here I'm going to enable image generator and not enable code interpreter. These are the starter prompts, the prompts which you see in boxes here on the right, which suggest to the user a few examples of what can be done. So I'm going to change one of them. I'm going to remove one of them and add a new one. I'm going to write trip planning, and I'm going to write plan a solo trip to Hawaii. And if I hit enter, you can see here the new prompt which I've added, plan a solo trip to Hawaii has been added. So now it looks good, and I'm done. Now I'm going to go to click on create. You can share it with others if you want. So you can change the sharing settings here. I'm going to say anyone in my organization can use this, not just me. I'm going to close this, update the sharing settings. So now I have a link which I can share with anyone. If I share this with anyone, they can use it as well, and I can copy it. So now I'm going to try and use my agent by clicking on Go to Agent. So you can see now the starter prompts, which you'd given the new starter prompt, is enabled. And here we are on the Travel Buddy agent. I'm going to click on one of the predefined starter prompts, and that gets populated here. I'm going to add a few more details as well here. I've added some more details, and now I will execute this. So I've got the answer which I wanted from the Travel Buddy agent, and I can continue the conversation. Now let's say that I am on the regular Copilot. I came here by clicking on Copilot, and but I want to call the agent. So I just have to do add, and I can see all the agents. Now I can here click on Travel Buddy. So here it will come chatting with Travel Buddy, and then I can just say the same thing on plan a trip to London for a family of 3. So now, from Copilot, like the main screen of Copilot, I can call the agent which I want and chat with it. So this is a new agent which we created from scratch, but Copilot also provides a few agents, like Viva Goals, Email Pro, Prompt Coach. You can see more as well. And you can click on Get Copilot Agents to see the whole suite of agents it provides.